Hello everyone, in this video I will explain Salesforce Flow. So first understand what is a Salesforce Flow. It is a tool in Salesforce that helps us automate business work without writing code. And there are different types of flows in Salesforce. Screen flow we are using for the user interaction and displaying data on the UI. Record triggered flow, it runs when a record is created or updated or deleted. Schedule triggered flow we are using when you want to run your flow at a specific time, and that auto launch flow it runs in the background and without user interaction. And this platform event triggered flow it runs when an event happens. Today I will focus only screen flow, and my use case is very simple. We will place a screen flow on the account record page. When the user open an account, they can create a contact for that account. In this video, I will show you how to create a screen flow, how to take input from user, and how to create a contact record linked to the account, and how to add the flow on the account record page. Now let's start the live demo. First, open the org, click on Setup, and type Flow. Click on Flows, click on New Flow, select Screen Flow. Just click on Add Element, select the screen element, give the label name Employee Information, and the search bar, type text. Select this text data type and drag this. Give the label name First Name, make it require. Same as it is, add another text data type, just drag this. Give the label name Last Name, make it require. Type email, drag this component. Give the API name email address, and just scroll down, make it require. Just remove this false and replace with true. Now search date data type, just drag this data type and give the label name start date, make it require. Type phone and just drag this. Give the API name mobile phone and make it require. Now click on done. So my first screen is ready, and this screen collects employee information details. Now I will create my another screen. Just click on add element and just select screen element. Give the label name department and roles. Go to the search component. Type pick list. Just drag this. Give the label name department. Make it require. Here you can create your pick list. Type HR. Click on create HR. Click on add choice. IT. Create IT. Same as it is, I will create more pick list values. Finance. Marketing. Sales. Type text. Just drag this and give the label name roles. Make it required and just click on done. Now my second screen is ready. Now I will create a contact record. Just click on this add element and type create record and just select this create records. Give the label name create contact records. Here select manually and select the object contact. Now I will map fields one by one. First remove this last name. Search the field account ID. Just click on this value field. Click on new resource. Resource type select variable and give the API name record ID and select the data type text. Enable checkbox so it will available for input. Just click on done. So it will store record ID from record page. Just click on this add field. First name. Click on value field. Here I will select first name. Same as it is, I will select fields and I will add the value from the screen. Mobile phone, value from screen, mobile phone, then value, add field, start date. This is a custom field start date that I have created inside the contact object, and select the data type date. Now click on this value field, click on this employee information screen and just select start date. Type department, click on this value, department screen, just select departments, title, click on value, select rows. Add one more screen at the end. Just click on add element, just select screen. Give the screen name success message. On the search component, type display text. Just drag this. Give the API name success. Display the text. Contact record is created successfully. You can change the font style also, like italic if you want. Now just click on done. Just click on this save button. Give the flow name, create contact record related to account. Just click on save. Now activate your flow. Now I will show you how you can add this screen on the account record page. Just open the account. Click on setup and select edit page. On the search bar, type flow and drag this flow. On the right side, you can see the flow. Just remove this one and enter your flow name. Create contact record related to account. And just scroll down. Enable this checkbox. Pass record ID into this variable. And just click on save. Changes saved. Now click on back. Click on account. Select Jenny Point account. And just scroll down. Enter the first name, last name, email, phone, and start date. Scroll down, just click on next. Select the department and enter the roles. Salesforce developer, just click on next. Contact record is created successfully. Just click on this finish. Here you can see that GS Richandani record is created successfully. So what we have learned in this video, how we can create a screen flow, how we can take input from the user, and how we can pass the record ID, how we can create a contact record related to the account. Thank you so much.